Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, super helpful, very quick video for any of you trying to find the power windows, fuses and relays on Mercedes C-Class. Guys, we're talking about that C-Class right here, generation W205. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuses, relays you need to check. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes, hidden functions, and please do not waste your money on parts and diagnostics until you don't watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. By the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, for the power windows, which fuses and relays we need to check, we will demonstrate on that generation Mercedes C-Class W205. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know that there is 6 different hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. And what we need to do specifically here, we need to open the passenger door. When you guys do that, okay, I want to show in the passenger side footwell compartment on the A pillar here on the side. Okay, let me open a different angle a little bit. You can see right here, you're going to have right here one cover. Open that cover and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. So guys, here we need to check 2 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box, check a few more as well. And the fuses, the main fuses that we need to check, this is fuse 301 here. Then fuse number 302 is the first fuse that we need to check, and 303. These 2 fuses will need to be checked, guys. Very important fuses. After that, you need to come and open the trunk on your Mercedes C-Class. Leave that carpet liner up. Underneath on the right side, under a kind of like a fabric flap, lift it up, you're going to find the main trunk fuse box with a layout like this one here. Specifically, guys, here we need to check fuse number 406 and 408. These fuses here will need to be checked. What about the relays? The relay function most likely is controlled by the rear SAM module, SAM module. So we recommend to check fuses, relays for the rear SAM module. We'll have the video on the channel, and if you still check those, you check the fuses for the power windows, they still do not work, we have a video on our YouTube channel that will explain why power window does not work on Mercedes W205, and we'll teach you what to look for, what to test, and the most common things we see here at the garage. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.